So in this video, let's learn how to take measurements for pants, both ladies and men. So let's start with our waist area. The waist can be right on the navel for ladies or a little below the navel. But for men, it's advisable it's supposed to be at our natural waist, unless it's a style. So you can take the ladies on right here or a little below the navel, depending on where the client wants it. But for men, it has to be at our natural waist, unless it's a style. But for ladies, it can be at the navel or below the navel, depending on where the person wants the trouser to start from or to be. Now to the tie. You take the tie measurement and let it climb the butt a little, just right under the butt. A little. It shouldn't be too much, just right below the butt. That's how I take my tie measurement. Just below the butt. It shouldn't be at this area, else it's going to be tight on the person. Now the knee measurement, you take the knee measurement right on the knee and make sure it's loose. You can let the person fold their knee backwards to see it's not too tight. Now to the ankle or bars, you take it right along it, gently, make sure it's removable. You see this was tight, make it a little loose, unless the client says they want it tight. So now let's take the length of our trousers. It has to start from where you took the waist measurement. When it's for a female, it has to start from the high waist. When it's for a male, it has to start from the natural waist. Also, don't forget to take your waist to knee measurement when you are taking the length of your trousers. That's from the waist to the ankle, the length of your trousers. But for a male, it has to be at our natural waist, and for female, it has to be at their desired point where they want their waist to be.